As the seasons change, so does your lawn. Keeping it just right becomes a chore. What if upkeep was simple and effortless? Introducing the world's first robotic lawn sweeping mower, EcoFlow Blade. It's the first with a lawn sweeping feature that can sweep and store leaves and debris as it mows. And that's just the start. With the tap of a button, create a mowing boundary without the need for wires that Blade remembers for the next cut and beyond. With precise RTK positioning, Blade can navigate edge to edge to make sure every inch of grass gets the perfect cut. With cutting-edge X-Vision technology, LiDAR and visual sensors, Blade can avoid obstacles with ease, quickly rerouting to shave time off the job. We've redesigned mower navigation. With wheels that allow multi-directional movement, it can make even the tightest of turns. And thanks to RWD high-torque motors, Blade climbs challenging slopes or rocks. As it moves, floating blades trim your grass to the precise height you set. Even across uneven surfaces, including curbs, roots, and pathways. With its built-in rain sensor, Blade only cuts when the weather is right, heading out to mow when the grass dries. It's the cutting edge of tech that makes our lives easier. And Blade is at the forefront, sweeping, cutting, and keeping your lawn pristine. That's EcoFlow Blade, the world's first robotic lawn sweeping mower.